Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Google Gemini, easy method. Start by signing into your Google account, then open the Gemini page from the Google app menu. Follow prompts to choose language, privacy settings, and device preferences. Enable sync for cross-device access and decide what data to share. I will explain each toggle, give quick tips to improve results, and show simple troubleshooting steps you can use right away. Customize Gemini so it feels useful and familiar by adjusting voice, tone, and response style in the personalization area. Pick topics you care about to help Gemini prioritize relevant answers. Review privacy controls and limit data sharing if you prefer more control. I will suggest sensible defaults for most users and show how to revert changes if something feels off, so you can confidently tailor Gemini to match your needs. Explore advanced options to get better results from Gemini, like enabling device sync and using example prompts to shape responses. Try short experiments with sample queries to see how settings affect output, then refine preferences iteratively. I will show how to save custom prompts, manage context length, and handle occasional misinterpretations. These small tweaks can dramatically improve usefulness without adding complexity to your daily workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.